Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2025 Enclave. The Enclave offers 3 rows of seats, standard. Not only is it roomy and stylish, but Buick really did its homework on this vehicle. They did not cut any corners. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, remote keyless entry, 4-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, traction control, rear window wiper, rear window defroster. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.